In HVAC, ventilation, duct checking, and airflow testing, many times we only guess the airflow. Fan is running, but actual air speed may be low. Cooling is not proper, but we don't know the real reason. For this type of checking, a digital anemometer is very useful. Today, we will understand the Elitech ANE-200W Digital Anemometer. The Elitech ANE-200W is a portable handheld anemometer. It is used to measure air velocity, airflow, temperature, and humidity. In simple words, this device helps you check how fast air is moving, how much air is flowing, and what the air condition is. On the top side, you can see the fan blades. When air passes through these blades, the instrument measures air speed. On the front side, there's an LCD display. The display shows wind speed, airflow, temperature, humidity, selected unit, battery indication, and other symbols. Below the display, there are buttons for power, unit change, hold function, max-min reading, light, and settings. First, it measures wind velocity. You can check air speed in different units like meter per second, feet per minute, kilometer per hour, miles per hour, and knots. This is useful for fan checking, duct air movement, and ventilation testing. Second, it measures wind flow, also called air volume. This is shown in CFM or cmm. CFM means cubic feet per minute. cmm means cubic meter per minute. Third, it measures temperature. Fourth, it measures humidity. So, with one device, you can check air movement and air condition. One useful feature is the max-min function. Air speed does not always remain stable. With max-min reading, you can check the highest and lowest air speed during testing. Another useful feature is data hold. If you are measuring in a difficult position, you can freeze the reading and note it properly. It also has backlight support, which is helpful in low-light areas. The device also has auto shutdown, which helps save battery. Now let's understand the important specifications. In meter per second, this anemometer can measure from 0 to 30 meters per second. In feet per minute, it can measure up to 5,860 feet per minute. In kilometer per hour, it can measure up to 90 kilometers per hour. Temperature range is -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Humidity range is 10% RH to 90% RH. It works on a 9V battery. So, it is portable and easy to carry for field checking. USB and Bluetooth support. This model supports USB communication with computer software. So users can check real-time data, graphs, records, and export data. It also supports Bluetooth communication with mobile app. This is useful when you need measurement records for service, testing, or reporting. First, insert the battery. Then switch on the device. Select the required unit. Hold the fan blade side toward the airflow direction. Wait for the reading to become stable. Now check the wind speed on the display. If you want to measure air volume, first set the area value. This is important because air volume depends on both air speed and area. Always follow the manual before using the product. This anemometer is useful for HVAC airflow checking, ventilation testing, air duct measurement, fan performance checking, cleanroom air movement checking, laboratory airflow checking, facility maintenance, and general air velocity measurement. You should consider this product if you need a portable instrument for air speed, airflow, temperature, and humidity checking. Before buying, confirm your measurement range, required unit, application area, and whether you need USB or Bluetooth data recording. So overall, the Elitech ANE-200W Digital Anemometer is a useful tool for technicians, HVAC teams, maintenance teams, and industrial users. It helps convert guesswork into actual measurement. For price, stock availability, and technical guidance, contact Radical TechMart. Our team will help you select the right product as per your application. Thank you for watching.